We have just acquired this Mercedes SL55 AMG. It's got the Performance F1 styling pack, which gives you the bigger front spoiler with vents, upgraded grille, alloys, vented discs. It is really in superb condition. There's no rust on the wheel arches as some of them suffer from. The beautiful AMG badge with quad exhausts. It's got the panoramic roof, satellite navigation, AMG embossed seats, satellite navigation, paddle shift if you require. It's fully loaded as you expect. Absolutely sounds awesome. On here you got the wind deflector, it's full service history, just been MOT'd. It is a future classic in the making. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.